Hariom Bacho, welcome back in our computer class. This is our 4th standard computer class for lesson number 5, editing text in Microsoft Word 2007. Children, you learn about uses of Microsoft Word 2007 as a powerful documentation software, but where lies its actual power? It is actually in its various editing and formatting features. And about those editing and formatting we are going to learn in our this lesson. So without wasting any time, let's start our today's class. First, we are going to learn about document editing. How to edit document in Microsoft Word 2007. Making changes in a document like inserting or deleting text, copying or moving text, replacing text, etc. is called text editing. Okay? Now, to make changes in the block of text, it is necessary to select it. And how to select it? You can select a word, line, paragraph, or entire document text. To select a word, place the mouse pointer on the word to be selected and double click the left mouse button to select that word. The selected word will appear in reverse color. Okay, now let's do it in a practically let's do it. Okay, suppose here I want to select this word Microsoft. Okay, now what I need to do is simply, just let me zoom it a little so you will be able to see. Okay, I want to select this Microsoft word. Okay, now how to do it? I just need to double click on this word. Okay, I will do double left click of my mouse on top of this word and this word will get selected. See, this is how I selected this Microsoft Word. Okay, now after selecting the word, we need to select a line. Okay, how to select a line? Whole line. Bring the mouse pointer to the beginning of the line in the left margin. Click the left mouse button to select the line. Okay, and this is how your line will get selected. Again, let's go to our Microsoft Word and in reality let's do it with our practical. Okay, this is my mouse. Okay, I will take it here in front of the line. Okay, and if you can see, our mouse cursor gets changed. Okay, when we are near to our text, it's in the cursor format. Okay, it's in a shape of I, capital I, right? But when you go in front of the line, okay, it changes to arrow. Okay, it changes to our mouse cursor. Now what you need to do, you just need to do one single left click in front of the line and the whole line gets selected. See, I just clicked it once and the whole line gets selected. I will do it for second line too. It's also gets selected. Okay, this is how you can select a single line also. Okay, now to select a paragraph. How to select a paragraph? We learn how to select a word. Now then we learn how to select whole line. Now we will learn how to select a paragraph. Okay, to select a paragraph, keep the mouse pointer anywhere within the paragraph and triple click left mouse button to select that paragraph. Okay, so let's just do it in our Microsoft Word. Okay, this is the paragraph which I want to select from this to this. Okay, what I need to do, I need to click anywhere inside this paragraph 3 times. Okay, I need to click left mouse button 3 times. Okay, click like this. Let's click it. Click 3 times. I clicked inside the paragraph and my whole paragraph gets selected. Okay, this is how you can select the whole paragraph also. Let me do it one more time. Click, click, click. 3 times I need to click and my whole paragraph gets selected. Okay, now let's move forward. Now after selecting the paragraph, we will move forward and we will select more of the text than even bigger, even more text compared to our paragraph. Okay, now how to do it? Okay, there's one simple trick to it. One simple thing you need to do is click at the beginning of the text. How we used to click in front of the line, remember? That's how you need to click in front of the text, then hold down the shift key and click at the end of the text. Okay, means the text where it begins, you need to click in front of it, before it. Okay, and then hold down your shift key and then click where the text ends. Okay, and that's how your whole text will get selected. Alright, let's do it in our word. Suppose from this till this I want to select this whole text. Now what I need to do, I will go in front of the text where it begins. I will do one left click in front of it. The line will get selected. Now I will hold my shift key and I will come where the text ends. It ends here. I want to select from the beginning till this point. Okay, then I will go in the end. Okay, after the full stop I will click one left mouse key one more time in the end of the text. Okay, and see the whole text got selected. Okay, this is how you can select the whole text too. Okay, alright, let's move forward. Now after selecting a lot of text, okay, now we will come on some important point. Okay, we will learn about some important points in Microsoft Word, like we learn how to select a word, how to select line, how to select a paragraph, how to select even more text than paragraph, means that much text how much we wanted to select, how to select the whole text in one by using some techniques only. We learn about that too. But now if I want to select a particular sentence, if I want to select only one sentence from the paragraph, okay, now how to do it? Now there's one technique to it. Hold down the control key from your keyboard, press your control key and hold it like that only. Okay, from the keyboard, and click left mouse button to select the sentence. Okay, now where you need to click this left mouse button, you need to click on the sentence which you want to select. Okay, let's do it in our Microsoft Word. Alright, here I want to select this first sentence. Okay, from where it's starting from Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. Okay, full stop. That means this sentence is getting started from this point and ending till this point. Okay, now how to select this sentence? This one sentence only I want to select. I will click on my control button on the keyboard. Sorry, I can't show you right now. I am clicking on the control button on my keyboard. I am holding it like that only, and then on top of this sentence I will click anywhere and this whole sentence will get selected. Now I am clicking the left button of my mouse on top of this sentence. See, just like this the whole sentence got selected now. Alright, this is how you can select a particular sentence also. Okay, let's move forward. How to move text? Okay, there are two methods to move a text. Okay, first you can copy and paste it. Second, you can cut and paste it. Alright, now copy and paste is not properly, we can say it moving, we can just say it copying and multiplying those texts. okay. But if we want to move it, like how we move one glass of water from one place to another, okay, how we can move our pen or pencil from one place to another, means we are picking up that object from there and we are placing on some other place, right? Just like that, you can pick some text from one place, okay, in your Word file, and we can replace it, or we can replace the position of that text or that word or sentence where we want it, okay. So let's try to do it here also. We already selected this sentence, okay, this first sentence we already selected. Now what we will actually do, we will just move this sentence from the beginning of the text to towards this in the end of this paragraph, okay. Now what I need to do, I need to click on the selected paragraph or this sentence, okay. Then some options will be here. From these options I need to click this cut option, okay. I need to do one left click on this cut option. I will click it and this whole text gets cut, okay. It will disappear from the screen, but do not worry, it's still in our Microsoft Word. We just need to paste it somewhere, okay. We just need to move it somewhere. Now we need to move, we wanted to move it in the end, remember. So now we will click here the right click of mouse, okay. We will do one right click from our mouse and then we will click the paste option, okay. In paste options we have some options over here. We will click on the keep text only, and this is how we got our sentence which we moved, okay. This here we got our sentence from the beginning of the text till in the end of our paragraph, okay. So these are some important features from Microsoft Word which we can do in our Microsoft Word for editing and changing the settings of our text which we edit in our Word. Remaining things, I think for one class this much information is enough. Remaining information of Word 2007 we will cover in our next session. Alright, so till this point do watch the video. If you watch the video, please write your name in our computer group, okay, that Dada, I watched today's video, so I can understand that you watched the video. Alright, okay, so we'll stop here and let's meet in our second session for this lesson, okay. Hari Om.